guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I decided to do some well-needed deep cleaning in my kitchen as well as cook dinner for this Vlogmas. So today it's giving real chill. It's giving real chill vibes. So I'm gonna put on some cozy, some comfortable, probably Christmas music to jam out to while we clean the house. But I did kind of at least want to come talk to y'all because I did not talk about anything, y'all. Child, I just turned the camera on and kept it pushing. I was trying to get the house clean, and you'll see me try to get the house situated and cleaned more throughout the next Vlogmas videos to come, because I feel like when you decorate or when you start for Christmas, I feel like you just need a fresh, clean space, and I needed to do that. I really need to go through and tackle the whole house, top to bottom, girl, everything. But we're going to take it one day at a time. Because we just got so much going on. But yeah, I just wanted to come let you guys know what was going on. So why don't you guys grab you some, clean your house, let the music be some background vibes, chill out while we get this house together as well as cook dinner. I found this recipe off of TikTok. You'll see a little bit later in the video. It's pretty much just turkey sausage, shrimp, literally broccoli, and what is it called? Alfredo sauce. And it's like a low carb. I'm on this like low carb, high protein type of diet, if you will, because your girl's trying to get right. I have some things that are coming up in the future that I can't wait to share with you and show you guys, and your girl's trying to get right for it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified literally every single time that I upload. We are trying to commit to Vlogmas this year, and I'm sticking to it. We're going to stick to it, okay? So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. Oh, let's put tomorrow away, live right now. So let's not waste another day. Come to find out to see the moon. Let's take a ride through the same like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away, and I ain't worried about it. So let's not waste another day. Come to find. Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding going back to what I used to know. But please hold my keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
You're a perfect man, got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he gave me two things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars and it's true. It's true. I'm steadily changing. It's making me better. He's only the new thing. He's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Rest is in my life for him. Yeah. Rest is in my life for him. Yeah.
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, oh, to Jesus I surrender. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all. Yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. I'm in awe. Oh my God, you I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the days. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I
Something about your love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. For God so loved this girl that He gave me you. So I fall to my